Hi guys, my name is Srikar and I'm gonna teach mental ability. What is mental ability? By the name itself, you can understand that it tests our thinking capacity. How does it test our thinking capacity? Actually, it doesn't test our thinking capacity. We will test our thinking capacity by learning the different topics in the subject. So, the first topic I am gonna take is Venn diagrams. What are Venn diagrams? Venn diagrams are used to diagrammatically represent the relation between different entities. To understand Venn diagrams in detail, let us see some examples. The first example I am gonna take is relation between man, woman and human. What's the relation? The relation between these three is human consists of men and women. It means that men and women are a part of human. Men and women are a part of human. So this is the ending of the first example. Let us see few more examples. The second example I am gonna take is relation between fruits, apple, red apple and green apple. You all know that fruits consist of apples, and you may also know that apples are of several types, and I am taking here two types. Apples consist of red and green apples. So to represent these in the form of Venn diagrams, let us take a big circle, namely fruits, and let us take another circle inside the fruits as apples, and let us take another two circles inside the apples as green apples and red apples. We know apples are a part of fruits, and green and red apples make up apples. It means that red and green apples are consisted by fruits indirectly. So this is the ending of second example. Let us take another example. Coming to the third example, the relation between pianist, violinist, instrumentalist. You all know that instrumentalist consists of pianist, violinist and so on. Here I took only pianist and violinist. Here instrumentalist consists of pianist and violinist. If you observe the diagram carefully, you may observe a link or an intersection between pianist and violinist. The link represents that some pianists are also violinists and some violinists are also pianists. So this means that some pianists may have talents of playing violin and some violinists may have talent of playing piano. So this is the ending of third example. So coming on to the fourth example, the relation between metals, iron and chlorine. What's the relation between metals, iron and chlorine? Most of you know that metals consist of iron, copper, gold, silver and so on. But here they gave chlorine, which is a gas and it's a non-metal. So you have to take two concentric circles. The larger one is represented as metal and the smaller one is represented as iron. And what about chlorine gas? Chlorine gas, you have to take it as separate circle which is away from the concentric circles. So coming on to the next example, actually this is not an example, this is an question. You have to draw Venn diagram for the relation between colors red and blue. I can give you 10 seconds of time. As you can see that there is an option which represents color as a big circle and red and blue as an sub-circles inscribed in the big circle, namely color. We know that there are so many colors and red blue are a part of different colors. So the answer is C, which represents color consists of red and blue which are not linked with each other. Coming to the second question, draw an Venn diagram for relation between mammals, crows and cows. For this I can give only 5 seconds. So the relation between mammals, crows and cows are: mammals consist of cows, but mammals doesn't consist of crows, because crows are omnivorous, which means crows eat mammals. So we cannot take crows as an mammals. So you can take two concentric circles and an separate circle which is not at all describing about the concentric circles. So coming to the third question, draw an Venn diagram for day, week and an year. I'll give you only 5 seconds. We all know that an year consists of 52 weeks and each week consists of 7 days, which means that an day is consisted by an year indirectly, but an week is consisted by an year directly, and an day is consisted by week directly. So you have to take 3 concentric circles for this diagram. As I am showing, the answer is B, which is one circle, which is a larger circle, represents year, and the shorter one than the year represents week, and the shorter one than week represents day. Coming to the last and fourth question, draw an Venn diagram for students, cricket players and tennis fans. According to the question, I will give you some 10 seconds. It's time up. The answer is here. Some students are cricket players and some cricket players may be tennis fans and some students may be tennis fans. So the given items are partly related to each other. It means that an student may be a cricket player, and not only an student, an cricket player who is not a student may be a tennis fan, and some students may be tennis fans. So here the representation will be 3 circles intersecting each other. Guys, if you like our video, please like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell